No feedback rows exist yet, so the target medium is still unknown. I will make a strong broad first guess with Inception to learn type, year, rating, genres, actors, and director. I accept the cookie banner first, then select the drop-down result and click the guess button because enter does not submit. Type card is red. Guess medium was movie, so target medium equals TV. Year is yellow within 2 years with a down arrow, so the target is older than 2010, likely 2008 or 2009. Rating is red with an up arrow, so the target rating is more than 0.5 higher than 8.8. Genres action, adventure, and sci-fi show no overlap. Actors Leonardo DiCaprio, Joseph Gordon-Levitt, and Elliot Page show no overlap. Director Christopher Nolan shows no overlap. Constraints. Target is a TV series from 2008 or 2009. Rating likely above 9.3, not action adventure sci-fi, and not involving the listed Inception people. Avoid repeating Inception. Type card is red, and the last guess was a movie, so target medium equals TV series. Years within 2 and older than 2010, so the target should be 2008 or 2009. Rating is higher than 8.8 by more than 0.5, so likely above 9.3. With no action, adventure, sci-fi, Inception cast, or Christopher Nolan overlap, Breaking Bad is a strong 2008 TV candidate with a very high rating. I will select the drop-down result and click the guess button to submit. Nice, the answer was Breaking Bad, solved in 2 guesses. The key clues were that the Inception guess flipped the type to TV series, pointed to an older 2008 target, and needed an even higher rating, which lined up perfectly with Breaking Bad.